Okay, choose the correct form of verb. Right. The house in 2000 be built was built. The house was built. Alright. In 2000 because it's in the form B plus build was plus build third form. You see B plus build in the passive form. Understand? The passive form we have to use the house was built in 2000. The cattle in the field now. Now you see now the indicate the continuous function. The cattle are grazing. The cattle are grazing. Grazing in the field now. Alright. The cattle now, let's see the now is here. So we have to use the continuous tense, this continuous function in the present. Okay. Simple present continuous tense is used here. When the train arrived, I on it. Arrived, ed, simple past. So one action to another action, I have already told it. Then I got on it. Got past. Understand? Simple past with simple past. One action after another action. This simultaneous action. Don't make noise. I am. You see, don't make noise because this is command. In the command, something is going on. That's why I am listening. I am listening. Am listening. Listening. I am listening. M plus listen plus ing B3 before verb plus ing before it is continuous simple sorry present continuous tense and now it's here listening news. Okay, listening. Headmaster was English last year. Understand? You see, not teach, did not teach. Did not teach last year. Simple past. Simple past. Alright. Headmaster did not teach us English last year. You see, last year, simple past. The teacher entered the room while the students. This one function, when the teacher entered into the room, something is going on. This is entered is past form. That's why making students were making noise. Were past continuous tense. Making noise. Were plus verb plus I. Subject plus were plus verb plus ing or before. This is were plus past continuous tense. One past tense, another function is running. There another past continuous. It is simple past. It is past continuous tense. All right. His parents daily. All right. His parents. You see daily. So no doubt it calls. He calls. Just you have to enter. He calls his parents daily. All right. He promotion last year get. You see last year it's simple past tense. That's why it is. We have to put got promotion last year. If you water it boils 0 degree conditional sentence. All right. If you do something another thing. This simple present tense B1 B5 subject plus B1 B5 plus object. Then another subject plus B1 B5 plus object. Alright. That's why heats. Heat. If you heat, not yes because it is plural. If you heat water, it boils. Zero conditional sentence. Alright. In zero conditional sentence, we have to use the subject plus B1 B5 and then eat or something another subject plus B1 B5 plus object. Alright. Zero conditional sentence. The house was built. This is the passive form. B plus build is the build. That's why in 2009 is the previous many years before. That's why the cattle are grazing in the field. Now you see now the graze, the present continuous tense, subject plus is are plus verb plus ing plus object, and this is indicate now. Alright. When the train arrived, this is simple past tense. Then one action and I do or another action is quickly happen will relate it to this. Yeah. So I put here got. I got on it. It is also past because here you have to train subject arrived simple past, and it is also simple past. Both simple past will cooperative to each other. I mean connected to each other. Don't make noise. You see, don't make noise. Simple present tense. Don't make noise. This is one kind of order. At that time, something is going on. That's why I am listening the news. Listen. I am listening the news. Understand? I am listening the news. That's why I command. Please don't disturb me. Understand? Headmaster asked English last year. You see, last year, this is simple past. We have to toss what not teach, did not teach. Or if not, we have to, the headmaster taught us English last year. Understand? And in this condition, not is here. That's why did not teach. Understand? The teacher entered the room while the students were making noise. Entered is simple past tense, and the students were something going on continuous. The students were making noise. Alright. Yes. He calls his parents daily. Call. He calls. You see daily. That's why it represents the simple present tense. He got promotion last year. Got, you see, the last year got promotion. Simple past tense. Alright. If you water it boils. Subject plus B1 B5 plus object, and another one subject plus B1 B5 plus object. In this condition, it is indicated there zero conditional sentence. Alright. Zero conditional sentence, we have to use simple B1 B5. That's why we use if we eat water, it boils. It means singular. Yes is here, B5 is here, U is plural. That's why only B1 is here. Alright. B1 and B5 in zero conditional sentence. Okay. Or do you get it? This is all the 9 sentences, and we can find out what type of subject, what type of verb we can choose from the bracket. For that, you have to know the rules and condition of the tenses and the structure. If you know the structure of the tenses and the condition, if you know the condition, in which condition we are using the tenses at that time, if we know about it, at that time we can easily select the appropriate word from the bracket that given in given sentence. Alright.